Hello everyone! Today we'll be learning about the basic functions of ArcGIS Online. Please note, ArcGIS Pro and ArcMap share many of the same functions. However, ArcGIS Pro and ArcMap require you to download the software onto your computer, whereas ArcGIS Online is easily accessible on the web and is accessible to both Windows and iOS users. As of now, you can only use ArcGIS Pro and ArcMap on a Windows operating system. Thus, this series will focus solely on the online version. While there is a publicly available version of ArcGIS Online that provides you with some mapping features, you can only access the full suite of these programs and their features if you have an institutional account assigned to you by your instructor or the school administrator that manages institutional licensing. Now, let's get into talking about what exactly is ArcGIS. ArcGIS programs are powerful tools for creating, analyzing, and modifying spatial data to make maps. Your maps can be useful in solving location-oriented problems, spreading awareness about important issues, or communicating about a topic with your peers. Since this video utilizes ArcGIS Online, we will first open a browser window. In your browser search engine, type arcgis.com and press enter. This will direct you to the website. Click Sign in the middle of the screen or near the top right corner. Once you have signed in using your institutionally assigned credentials, you will be directed to the institution's homepage for ArcGIS Online. On the homepage, there are 7 different options available to you, extending from the top left corner. Here, we see Home, Gallery, Map, Scene, Groups, Content, and Organization. Home is where your browser page currently is. No matter which tab you select, you can always return to the main page by clicking Home. Next, the gallery is used to access a collection of maps and other projects like story maps created by yourself, your peers, or by your institution. After that, we have the main feature of ArcGIS Online, the Map button. In ArcGIS Online, maps can be interactive, whereas ArcMap and ArcGIS Pro are mainly used to present static maps. We will explore this later in the video. Then, we have Scene. Scene allows you to interact and view geospatial content on 3-dimensional maps. Then, Groups show how many groups you are in within the organization. Next, Content displays all the projects you have made as well as the work of your peers or the institution. Lastly, Organization displays a list of all users within the organization. Now that you have a basic understanding of the 7 functions of the homepage, let's explore the mapping feature. Click Map and your screen will display a flattened world map. As you can see from opening a new map, you are automatically on the Details tab on the left side of your screen. About displays information about your map, including the title, the author, the date of creation, and the statistics of your map. In Content, it will show the layers of the map and the base map. Because there is nothing in your newly created map, you will always start with the default topographic base map. Lastly, Legend shows the list of symbols that appear on your map. The Add button allows you to add layers that are hosted by someone else, or layers that you created in ArcGIS Online, or by integrating data from an Excel spreadsheet. Map Notes will give you the option to change the symbol to points, text, lines, or shapes to indicate the important features of your map. Adding Map Notes will create a new tab called Edit. Next, Base Map is a reference map. It is the base layer on which you overlay geographical data. There are 9 different base maps you can choose from. Lastly, the Analysis feature is extremely important in any GIS software. As you begin to use more advanced features to solve location-oriented problems, these tools will come in handy. As of 2021, there are 6 different groups of functions that will support your projects. If you want to learn more in depth about the Analysis feature, Feel free to check out this YouTube video created by Esri in the description. You can also share, print, find directions to a place, measure the distance between different areas, create bookmarks to save a specific point of a location, and find a location using the search bar provided by the online version of ArcGIS. ArcGIS software does not automatically save your edits and additions, so don't forget to save your work. To save your work, you must click Save. With a new file, you must click Save As. You will be provided with a few fields. You do not need to fill out the tags and summary, but you must at least give your work a title and a folder to save in. You will always have a folder that will be named after your account's name or the courses you are or were enrolled in. And that's it. Now you have a basic orientation to the mapping feature in ArcGIS Online. Be sure to check out our other video tutorials.